Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead Alive mini is Kristof, the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and I started with pale grey for his shirt's shadow colour. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, his trousers get a base coat of Hydra green. For all of his exposed skin, I went with Sunny skin tone, which as usual takes a couple of coats to get really good coverage. Getting all the leather parts base coated, I grabbed Ancient Forest. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over of Plague Brown, along with his hat. Now moving on to the highlights, well the mid-tone in this case anyway, I went all over all of the raised parts and flat areas of his shirt with silver grey. To bring up the trousers to look a bit greener, I went over the majority of them with Angel Green, just leaving that darker colour in the recesses and shadowed parts. Finishing off the shirt now, I grabbed a white star and brought up the tops of the folds, as well as dotted in his eyes. For all of the leather parts, I added a highlight using Wasteland Brown. Getting all the metal parts done, I went with a once over of gunmetal. To wash the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything except the shirt. Finishing off, I added some Saggy Desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Kristof. I like how this shirt came out. It has a nice cold white vibe that the artwork has as well. It's a little bit bright compared to the rest of the Mini, but then it does look like this in the artwork as well. If I had a choice in it, I would probably lower that a bit more and make it a bit more darker to blend with the rest of it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.